Is your gut leaky? This video will explore what leaky gut is, some common causes and symptoms, and as always, we'll end by exploring ways to begin to heal. So what is leaky gut? Leaky gut or intestinal permeability happens when there's damage to our gut wall, causing toxins, bacteria, and other substances to literally leak out into our bloodstream. When these foreign substances are in our bloodstream, it's registered by our immune system, activating an autoimmune response. This causes inflammation, hormonal imbalances, a weakened immune system, and many other symptoms that we'll explore in just a minute. So what are some common causes? The most common causes in the food we eat. Certain foods like gluten, soy, and refined sugar actually cause damage to the gut wall. So does toxins. Toxins in our food, in our environment, and in the products that we put on our skin. Our gut contains bacteria naturally. We need it to help digest our food. When certain bacteria overruns good bacteria, something called gut dysbiosis happens, or a bacterial imbalance, again, causing damage to our gut wall. So does chronic use of certain medications, overuse of antibiotics, or some over-the-counter pain relievers like aspirin and acetaminophen over the time can equally damage our gut wall, as can chronic stress. So what are some symptoms? Chronic digestive issues like diarrhea, constipation, or bloating. Nutritional deficiencies, where you're not getting enough of certain minerals or vitamins, regardless of how much you're ingesting in the food. If our gut is damaged, all of that good nutrition is again leaking out along with those toxins. Chronic fatigue. If we're not getting the nutrients we need, we feel lethargic, we feel tired, our brain might feel foggy. We could also feel confused, difficulty concentrating. Some of us experience skin problems like acne, rashes, or eczema, and some of us have chronic joint pain. So how do we begin to heal? We can make a small daily promise to reduce this gut damage or this inflammation by changing the way we eat, avoiding those gut damaging or inflammatory foods like gluten, soy, and refined sugar. We could get enough sleep, movement, and rest, helping us to reduce our stress and keep our gut wall intact. I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Have you ever heard of leaky gut? And are you struggling with any of these symptoms? Leave it in the comments below.